Today is Sunday, August 14. I'm at Lake Isabel, and I'm sitting under the awning of my, and this is a view I have in the morning, drinking my coffee. Hopefully the wind is not too bad. It's scorching hot out there right now, but I am under the shade. On the side, I also have shade over there. I will do a van tour, a complete van tour with everything set up here. Yeah, I'm right here. I'm under the shade with my tailgate awning. So right now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna cook lunch. But I'm gonna use this new portable one. The problem with this is I don't have the canister, the baby one, this one. So what I did is I bought an adapter for it so I can use the propane tank to cook it. All right, we're gonna cook this. All right. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna eat that. Also, when you buy canned food, try to buy one with the tap to open it instead of you gotta have a can opener in order to eat that one. All right, let me set this up and then I'll bring you back. There you go. Just hook it up, the adapter, hook it up, and then let's see. Woo! A little bit too much. So I don't trust these things. They're not very stable. So I'm gonna hold on to it as I cook. I hope you can hear the whistling. Yeah, these things are not very stable. See how it want to tip over? I better go get my spoon. I'll be right back. Yeah, these are very thin. Hopefully those fly won't come by. What they're gonna do is kamikaze suicide. There you go. It's a see. A lot of people don't understand. I don't bring the canister with me. I will bring the kit with me, and then I will buy the fuel when I land there. That way, the airline will not stop me. So I have two options of two kind of gas I can use with this little tiny, very tiny stove. Yeah, the goal is I'm gonna fly, take the airplane there, get a rental. So I'm gonna have everything I need in a carry-on suitcase. I don't want one of those big suitcases because they might get lost during transferring. So the carry-on one is the best suitcase to bring. So everything has to fit in that suitcase plus the backpack. That's it. And this is how I'm gonna cook when I wanna do they call it what? Fly and dry camping. So instead of having to bring my vehicle, drive 3,000 miles across the country, why not just fly there and rent a vehicle and do the camping, just like you do at home. Yeah, it looked like it started boiling a little bit already. Look. So this is much better than using the alcohol stove. I like it. Yeah, these propane, they are getting expensive now. They almost $5 a piece. I believe it's 9 something for 2. Yeah, everything is going up in price now. And that is how I cook for my fly and drive camping. Yeah, it's pretty hot out there. Whew. Good thing I have shade on both sides. Right now I'm really nice and cool under the shade. There's no breeze, but it's still nice and cool. Alright, thanks for watching. I will catch you on the next video. Time for lunch.